Hey guys, welcome back to End Times Girls Club, or should I say... That was Morse code. Today's episode is going to be about alternative communication systems. In anticipation of a major telecommunications breakdown, the apocalypse, I'm planning to be able to communicate in Morse code. Now you may have heard of SOS, ... But there may be some other phrases you want to learn. With a simple hand mirror, you can reflect light to communicate a sentiment as complicated as FML. F dot dot dash dot M dash dash L dot dash dot dot. If you don't feel like learning and memorizing Morse code, you can also visit my web store and buy limited edition hand-painted Mylar blankets with Morse code translations of important phrases on them. These blankets are really useful because not only will you be able to keep warm and maybe do a reflective Morse signaling with the blankets themselves, but as you wrap yourself in the protective Mylar, you'll also be able to look at your dictionary of important Morse phrases. Visit my web store for details at www.endtimesgirlsclub.com/webstore.
This has been a presentation of End Times Girls Club. Visit endtimesgirlsclub.com for more information and our web store to buy limited edition survival kits licensed by End Times Girls Club.